Gigabyte 1000 watt gaming supply, the Gigabyte Gaming 360 CPU liquid water cooler, the GeForce RTX 5090 Stealth Ice, and their brand new B50 Aorus Stealth Ice gaming motherboard. This is probably the biggest collaboration I've done. I've been gaming my whole life, from the Sega to PlayStation, Xbox 360. In 2020, I converted to a PC, and 5 years later, I'm lucky enough to be able to upgrade my PC thanks to Aorus. This is the B850 Stealth Ice motherboard. I'll be installing the 2TB Gen 4 SSD. I'll be installing the AM5 secure frame. I chose the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. 64GB of DDR5 RAM. The Gigabyte Gaming 360 Ice CPU water cooler. For the case, I've gone with the C5 AE RGB case. This is my old hard drive and SSD from my last PC. Now I'm going to install the motherboard. Time to install the power supply. Now it's time to install the big boy RTX 5090. GPU's in, now it's time to turn it on to see if it works. Really easy setup, and once again, thank you to Aorus and Gigabyte for sending me all the parts that I needed. And as a thank you to our community, I'm going to be buying an Aorus headset and giving it away just in time for Christmas. So if you or one of your friends need a headset, tag them in the comments and I'll be drawing a winner on the 15th of December. Let's go.